testimony in Minnesota. It's basically when you humanize the defendant, you're allowed to do that. I believe the state said they're going to call 2 family members to talk about him, but that can be a bit tricky, can it not?
I think so, because there's obviously some things in Floyd's past that are probably going to be troublesome for jurors to hear. So it is going to be a bit tricky of how you balance, that discussion or testimony to the jury, because obviously then the defense can come and say, well, did you know all these bad things that he did, or all these things that were less than favorable? And they can try to highlight those. So it is going to be a tough balancing test.
Would you bring in some of that negative information regarding, let's say, his drug abuse and things of that nature to sort of offset what would be coming from a cross-examination by the defense?
Well, I have to give you some of Gloria Lacy's old advice, is that it's always, Gloria Lacy being my mother, that it's always better to hear straight from the horse's mouth. So if there are some wrongs, I think the jury will be more accepting of it if the prosecution lets them know about it rather than having it being revealed for the first time by the defense.
Now, Julia, there is sort of pitfalls there.